The Conductivity of Solutions Lab that we are going to do today involves using three solutions: 1 molar sodium chloride, 1 molar calcium chloride, and 1 molar aluminum chloride, a conductivity probe, and our lab quest. So we're going to start off with our sodium chloride, and we're going to add drops of it to the water, stir it, and then read what the conductivity probe is telling us. This is the conductivity after 1 drop of sodium chloride has been added. 2 drops. 3 drops. 4 drops. 5 drops. 6 drops. 7 drops. And 8 drops. Next, we'll look at the data table and we'll look at the graph that is made. The data for the sodium chloride is in the table labeled NaCl. This is the graph of the sodium chloride data. You want to make note of the slope and the formula of the line for the data analysis. So we'll be starting with our calcium chloride, and right now this is the measurement for 0 drops. 1 drop of calcium chloride. 2 drops. 3 drops. 4 drops. 5 drops. 6 drops. 7 drops. And 8 drops. The data for the calcium chloride is here in the table that's labeled CaCl2. This is a graph of the data. The black line is the best fit line. Make note of the slope and then also the formula for the line. You see some variations off of that line, and that's caused by the drop sizes not all being perfectly consistent, and that'll cause those numbers to vary a little bit. Now we'll begin the aluminum chloride. This is our initial measurement. 1 drop of aluminum chloride has been added. 2 drops. 3 drops. 4 drops. 5 drops. 6 drops. 7 drops. 8 drops. Next, we'll look at the data table and then the graph. This is our last data table of the AlCl3. This is the graph of the aluminum chloride. See, all the data points fit very close on this one. Make note of the slope and the formula for the line. This graph shows all three sets of data in the same graph. The red circles are the sodium chloride. The blue squares is the calcium chloride. And the green diamonds is the aluminum chloride. You don't need to make these graphs. We've already done them here. You do need to analyze the slopes of the graphs and answer the questions that are in the lab write-up. And also, I would like you to make your own data table for each of the runs.